Hello, 101.5 FM.
Abodonko upon Sima Edionu, Yamatia for Yina, Yamama baby, Meba Santaman, #1 radio Dali. So Yakotia Prantubreka Sabo Yedia, Ebushaya Kwago Pamaso. If you're double J edition of Power Sports and Airborne, it's a free summer copy no me new. Power Sports crew in your dear share the Agudium Koma Papa Pay Moham Yababedi, and if you're there, your friend is Steve Asaba Queen the Starboy. Many of you for you now, Atlasia, yeah, best from the Papem. Comprising Eric Opoku Jr. and Chama Batanenka. I couldn't against out Wama Pababa fan Sama Dabama Swev, yeah, Babedi Hunkomo. Nemum Obedika Asha Siafia Manane. The latest trending stories a free farmer so be now what the Abrea and stay tuned whatever. In Manchester for. Gijabe. Okay. Come over. Stay tuned. Osasi Banki Swatnasi, our Jenny Kotoko Jesse Kama. Osebe boy a crop young Koma Hobwa, yeah, next week Sunday. Woman FC San Pedro, Edia Kobo and Dindi, La Côte d'Ivoire. Koroko host to one son of Mako La Côte d'Ivoire. I know your crucial CAF Confederation Cup playoff. Encounter that Kotokwanim. And anyway, I want to call say, I'm sure stay tuned or say, Betty Hunkomo in Abraham. I love you, Baba Shai. I call Masachi Kobon and Pie Casse. Now, Baba Kobo Juman Pie, yeah. And Yamiadum and now Bekensa. As for folk who come on Mobate. And wow, yeah, no money, a great Olympics, dear boy, and Equasada Bay. I will all Homo Cup. I can't say. House of Force will be in Poby Pay. But for an airborne Africa. What would you? Half matches no one penny sign to Umbabo. It's a no song come up Baba Ken Samobate. Of course, come out demand the historian starting an historical city no moon. It's a Yabacosamun, come out salty FR good young in our brain statue. Juma led by Canada Benda Master Planner Yahweh J Tanda Vido Tabel Rabio Tabel Margaret Na Shadrach Nana Kwame Wider Collins. Wamina Kabina Wasum Ama Yadu favorite and most authoritative sports show Idia Bro Baby out here. Everyone Commander Bamaswaya Babedin Bubuja. Nemum Nina upcoming GFA elections are the ground one ever so and then our credit ever in Crabontin so they say your normalization our football your football normalization no and ya don't crank cry anyone na enedie on a GFA elections no yashas yeah ama normalization no yeba bedu ne pompon so mu pa. Make us say what about your next RFA chairman? More ever your various RFA I know our memoir. Ghana your 16 administrative regions there. There's football the end there 10 regions. Now about to across the nation. I'm here RFA chairman. I'm over better the 10 regions away football no more memoir. Yayi adadafoni bia frim. Akasifoni bia ti kwa hwefam pipram. Ama moje to all. Awufroni bia bem. Every swine is still maintaining. Every ayatna see the comprehensive results at the far the RFA elections course so enedui. I know ana ABA and GF about to no ho ense seminar no kwan de breo. Na ya kofa reactions e free about to no mu eba yen so de abreo. Now, of course, final one name we can see a name beba so na otwe e won kran. Na no se benya ba so no e asem sebe. It's a court of arbitration for sports CAS. Asha GFA normalization committee ni FIFA say. Woman fre ora wo fedo se kwaku pama ene ne international kasama komatoya mumra nya sadia abaton enya maso. CAS ama GFA ene FIFA kosi adwada ebe yi. so man ntimi o se pa man kan nsem nyina mfiri ode a ena abato no ebeda ne ya mutu enti RF abato na nya abaso de nanso ye executive committee abato na mu ene GFA presidency akunwa na mu ho abato no yenya hunu ni shebrem se beba so ana enya maso no edwada ebe ni ebe hunu so no royata kana nko contest for Central Region RFA chairman no ayi ni film no wono so kwaje Accra High Court injunction eto abato isu ankenne eka bibia de na kwamani kwan se ka abato ne ba so the normalization committee edify court order ashama abato na nya ba so enti ye bebusa sanya bia court injunction ebechi GFA normalization committee ana awi ebebo royata ne lawyer punum yeti omo so next action omo take enti common nyina nie last kotokoni house nkomo any national teams the title local blasters akwantu a woko Burkina Faso na kwesi adebei womni local stallions of Burkina dia boni we crucial chan qualifier match eba so nyina mu no ana wiade to ba maso ne ya pese mu wajen chitade ba fafa tesani wa surprise for 0265170336 0265170336 and your SMS no WhatsApp line. Yes, stream live on social media, Facebook and Instagram address near. Hello 101.5 FM. Hello 101.5 FM. And your Facebook and Instagram address no. YouTube Despite Media. Wajin chire na bra na man sign so ente on carry. Epai fose kwachi ade afenti yetna si. Yefa na se enkoma Gandu Cosmetics. IBM Petroleum Company Limited. Wama driver for na mobo ase kwa so afili papa. Pechi number 2 na dodo na ebufa ngo papa. Enye mu achede e. Enye bedi omo ho adanse ade ama. Ana best assurance so number 1 reliable insurance company. Womina na so asena mi atena se awie de dwumade e de ebrew. And once again, Yamwakwaba, Eba passports, if you are double jay edition. Check. Yabakina Yusaba, me Bakumasa, me Hello Sports, I am buta. I've got for a man Wakwabo.
Much as thing now, hello,
wow.
Yeah.
She said the friend and yabi.
Send no me catch us upon injunction no enya dia ebehudu. She say 10 regions ni na to baby.
Contempt bet match in Crawford.
Oh,
court contempt.
Me say adi ya to election ya wie. O say take shape. She say man dia ya mana ehunu ye cast petition no mo dia ba no. Any order na
cast order no.
Cast dia ba na bia ma next week summary. Second next week summary na go bia hunu smoothness level. O ma do me turbulence mo ko hospital. O ma bi be ya mo ewo surgeons and hono na ga ehunu but gojo delegates na kasa I finally and Osha delegates akasa ni titu ni Ashanti region say titu Admiral Kotoro retaining his seat gojo na
Chairman Kotoro
still
maintaining Kotoro Kotoro are winning Ashanti region abano
we're winning 41-29
sir
and out of 71 votes, you know.
Who say
41-29.
41-29.
And
wow.
Emuchi.
18. A whole of 19.
12 difference.
12 votes difference.
Yes.
Ha.
Could you?
Kwakure power.
O delegates there. Could you? Ala me kan obi tirima sam utirima sam pa de mi hu. Utirima sam de mu betirima kan de ensem de. Nanso sa ballot box no ko wuramu a. Onu ko ne ko wuramu.
Oh, okay.
Do you wa de bia money now.
Okay.
And no nti. So far we share
Agbotomenyo.
So far we share me say
Ujebe so Agbotomenyo.
Enipa nye. And so far we share
Yeba beji comprehensive results no. Yeba beji.
Ba ehu.
Ayehu.
It's
a 10 regions na ma to awie.
When the say general election no
Bibi bet
for me
okay.
Because I hear an ambulance abem.
Yeah, any soldier now.
Yes.
Oh, yeah,
because Kojo said 25th you pass dia. Some men can go for Kolabu na bay.
Yeah, pesa. Okay. I'm sharing go junior no Mobatereka. Akomre. Kwamna bokodia.
Nyame adum star.
Ha, bibi adadi.
Nyame adam.
Ene be tia ba kosem komo ba ko bibi why?
Na the omni say player bi wo Ghana ha, the defense network. Wa unya akwan hwe no kakra. By far be 30-40 years ni play no yenya bi.
Okay.
One ne Kukudazi.
Ah, why they?
Ene 43 years a player bi shi na ni so Ghana football.
Okay. Yo.
Sa ayamacha. Utie, ayamacha. Oka obia kai sama. Na ya has kotokomachi.
Ah, ana mu bo Kukudazi asum.
Player ni e born yonku player ni so.
Okay.
Nti 43 years yenne. Sama atemeka amanfo amu. Ya bobo ni wiye no se kotokomachi bi akwaje bribe. Nti sama achi.
Ye ba betie san komo ni. Yo. Kwamna ma no abibia ofofro de mai. Osasi be star. Osakwa bo.
Ya nyo.
Krobia ho ye.
Papa.
Nantie nyina ho ye.
Papa.
Na ada na mugusu eja mu players kwan sa.
Oh. Nyasi eja players.
Azami na ogobosi.
Contract de ewu and ewu.
Okay.
Nti ewu a independent ekwan a ombefa so mbere ni.
Certain key players bi din ba abamu a mujije omo kwan emwanwa.
Oh, omo contract na ewu.
Okay.
Nti e bia nkasaye mu no. E no mo antimi ankasa yi a. Ama de obi a pese ode to na antimi anto de a. E de mitimi nche but contract de ewu a na ewu.
Okay.
Nti nyina eja mpanyimfo so.
Yo.
Ese ndo na me ka cho se ma we de na me ka cho se enura service na mo ye no lawyer no ko ye no. Wrong service.
Oh, I know they say enya na abechire. I know the lawyer no you be heard the almost so next station.
O ka kwa wrong service. Ni ma so oba mo misa no service.
Okosebo lawyer ni.
Okosebo lawyer.
The client
we ko ma sheda busa lawyer mpanyimfo mienu obisa me lawyer.
I'm there wrong.
Oh yeah, wrong service.
Yeah, any
lawyer no betu aja to wa fa mani pakro na enka no.
Ntia no na ujiri say ama GFA
enya kwan to aba no.
Yes. Well, into assess bench you adwuma court. Nti asem nimdie mu court adwuma yem no. Ana odi amaye no. Yawe star. Yawe kodie. Kumasi Baba Sports Stadium. Yawe na ko gina mu emaye Baba Sports Stadium community Ashanti Regional FA elections no. Chairman Osei Tutu Agyeman Kotoro. We're retaining the seat. Yawe na Baba na hobby dadin. Oh, choka bi ama.
And I say choka there. Which means ya no kwan there bi beba. Before the elections na mukura no. There were some guys bia some sense of misunderstanding be AC wo ho. Aha. The election process no echo so.
Carry to them.
Yes.
Carry to them.
And then
and ma bobem.
Oh, exchanges.
Macho.
Echo so. After say omo kan abanu no. Omo amma ensentrofo enwuram nti after so mo kan wie no na omo ma kwan ma ensentrofo ewura inside obi a obegina mu ema electoral commission no we announcement no ewie
nti men about 200 na ensentrofo na mu inside
and they say ama ensentro ni bia enwura inside
na mo to aba no yo bia so anya complain
then I say choka de ebe den ebeba but after elections na say owura na declare no na Mr. Osensia esoriye call Mr. Kutoro Honum. Now Okobo na baso say waya de say
NSO agiatum.
Yo wagiatum.
Nice.
You see ebreba mkura betumi na kasala.
I'm sure every prime bete Yawa J tender the comprehensive report of the FIBA Bayern Sports Stadium. Efa Ashanti Regional RFA elections so I name Chairman Osei Tutu Agyeman Kotoro. While returning the seat say Ashanti Regional FA Chairman. And only all other resources free other regions by na every prem ye bedi efie nkomo na ye de bebro nemum san media ye be kwa mo ne kwago be kwa crowd into abobo ankonfo nkomo de ahodo efie nkonfo amanso benti ye sha se free amano ne ye wi ana ya beto aso ofie na ye be kwa mo ne de Gandu Cosmetics na make amfo dia ma say wo ne upenku papa ayaya ma bi before ye rede ne de hwe ne wan from kwan Gandu Cosmetics nku ahodo ene ne powder ahodo a make amfo dia ma we na so okoje bi eno na be boa we amwasiesie ho fine ɛyɛ ahwɛ nipadua di yie pa isase nipadua no nyame asɔre da nti wa hwɛ ni yie adache atemu dem obabu mu akonta nti sa wo sranku anu asranku pa be ma honam na toso o bo powder anu abo powder papa nenei Princess Pa ne cousins ɛyɛ abusua nkyɛmfa nku papa di nnuaba ahodoɔ idea me pacho natural ebeboa ma skin na tosu yo tuntunu be yi kama we akokɔ so akokɔ no be gigi kama wo ahona machi adane se o wiata achi hona mani adane se o wiata achi bawe insansen ku wo no me pacho nku ebeboa no Princess Pa and then the cousins Princess Pa and cousins ebusua nchefa enku no afei mini aba wo paint no rig hye you should be all 16 hair range. And on the Bema when you're natural hair. Now you net my baye, no than your besima. Into a baby, I will pay you no about when you're mean be all 16 hair range. Fast out you now you in baby ye. And Quadani Motofano, a baby boy and a baby girl product. Ninkun in the powder. And a fast loud bar now fabo bar. But your Beman Quadana Abaye in Shlamapa or Muhombeya Kono no me kama. Sans a baby boy and a baby girl no. Or the slow bar. Neunin kuno de slap back now in the powder so bo ba no be hwehwam aya kono amobi ani age no amana baba be yeshida baby boy baby girl BO16 Princess Pa and the cousins ya to apeti baby edi bodwa bia ne mo opedo no atu a wo be frɛ Gandu Cosmetics 030 281 1900 Samedia yankwa amana ne bago we kwa karenti bema ya sumi yede boy nkomo efiada ebojaye
but yet German and 70 na fe anticipate sanse delegates akasa and delegates kasa o makasa nya no make sure say mfie nu ade ani no sa kasa na be ye adwuma ndi unu akotomo obi a mfie nu ade no ho adwuma na o expect say o chine ma
enu de odika yesi ye wie GF elections ya obi ansebo ka bia ya record atu obi ya kwaku ya di bebu nkrofo aten papa
the one we need the hand on here
enu obi ya manifesto
and I'm say the one we need hand on here dem what we need here there
o sha ba ye be ha mo adi so
ye be ha mo adi so
ye be yire wa mo adi so
and ye be yire and kajagu
no sports at papa mu ya tia
wa kodo ye sha manane sam na sana reporter eba ne say Manchester United still mu guso ye o mo hwe say David here da kwasiare batimi adapo mu ade ama Manchester United emre o mo and Liverpool ade pem so Paul Pogba nkwade say o mo declare so ye out na o mo say David here o mo try final fitness na fe o mo say want me see aka na say on see aka nti Antonio Martial ono ofiri njiaba o be see aka kwasiada Aaron Wan Bissaka wonu so ebe see aka na fe David here o mo say enkodu mi na nwumre ana o mo be confirm so o ye out and na say wonye out Virgil van Dijk enso say Manchester United team no o mo say league ni yashase eniema enkoyi baby o mbeso mu duru no wo mu endro ho nsanso na eniema enhyeda enkoyi ma team no nanso so no eye Manchester United na Liverpool ene o mu kobonti Liverpool for no wo mu emomani emre o mu ho so kra tentem ana fa mu sa ebo game no Old Trafford bibia etimi esi ho na no so de afutu a Virgil van Dijk o de ma Liverpool team ni na emre akwasiada wo mu ene Manchester United pem so no wie ana msencho for no busan say Man City na eta o mu so na eye o hwe o mu game sana o se ade a wonya bi da no say obetena se no hwe Man City games o so no wonya bi da wo mu so o mateke lead de na so o ma hwe ato so a na o ma hwe so metimi age Premier League no eno ene ensema Virgil van Dijk Liverpool defender ono so ene oni semtofo twitwa oni semtofo age komo wode atu adwa yeto so na agya koye nim no Olega na so che say enya ade ono wagya tum say United adwuma na so che no o say amafo keka no mo say adwuma na so che no asa ne fisi so ma adwuma no so no on nyino hokrada say United adwuma no eso che no na enya ade ono so wo problem bia say Paul Pogba ene Zidane ekotwa eyemfonyi e wo Dubai wo so ni problem bia Paul Pogba still we Manchester United player or under contract into ono obefa no esana fe watu so aye adwuma Eddie Woodward and also so akasa wo say amafo so kan sem pi say Manchester United oye no ono de sika Manchester United ebenya ana efa no nemom say United success on pitch pa de on the on fa ho o say enya de anekura bia wom nemom United aye mistakes bis since Alex Ferguson ekoe no omo ma coach entran amruvie mienu toss me no matter top players bia some players no buy na amwa na ogiri esa some mistakes na wo maye no eno any idea edi Manchester United team ni nya omo ehwe se Ole Gunnar Solskjaer de ombaba no atena na fe omo ato good players e de man nto so no wota Ole Gunnar Solskjaer chipa empo se Liverpool se Manchester United consider still Ole in position nya de a o jane kwan eno ene nsema Manchester United omo chief executive officer Eddie Woodward wono so Eddie Atuja Frank Lampard se de bia oguso ene Jose Mourinho wono ne Eddie nkomo ya test message say ko na ba ni wo se o na danfo pa na ene se wo benya Chelsea adwuma nti papa ne be ne tafo se store na danfo no ya da bia test message ono de ko Mourinho so Eddie eba eno so eno no na Liverpool ni Manchester United the last time Liverpool Manchester United Old Trafford was last 5 years Santana David Moyes and fe Brendan Rodgers or the Liverpool share Manchester United over kaya Steven Gerrard crash go to be that day nti and also any kakra de Emma etefo na ye to so na ya ko ye no Mauricio Pochettino ono so waka sa say enya de ono wo ja Tottenham perspective no ato also oni players no akodina na players na senebo ono so ashombo to bunya betena na omo ayadwuma na Tottenham Hotspur league e chance ne ma enkoyie no omo atimi de ma tutuye ama team no atimi agira na so Dennis Zakaria enso sia kai ma Borussia Mönchengladbach Tottenham Hotspur make omo asemi omo Manchester United na omo epeno na Mönchengladbach Chelsea sika da so no aya 44 million pounds sanso so ana Olympic Lyon striker fan Musa Dembele report about nature say also na nibaje so be saba England enti clubs amo epeno England bit Everton and Manchester United na nia Japan na wo hwenu say January is want me anvumpo kra summer obetimi adana ni ade ache England na obeto an bobo so ho Manchester United report about say omo asha say enquiries efa Juventus goalkeeper Wojciech Szczesny omo enquiries e de fan ho say na be omo ebetimi anya no obeda po mo Tottenham Hotspur omo so eguso ye omo ejese say so pe Christian Eriksen omo fa market nimra na omo su no be di pasa so omo emfa isco eni sikamra emerging Christian Eriksen emfa no enko no Barcelona coach was omo postpone El Clasico no omo se nema enko yi e wakata na ho na so gidi say omo to mo asno mo hwa endu next week Saturday de nema tutum but officially Spanish Football Federation omo chese El Clasico postpone indefinitely. Yeah, now their date be down. Almost say Sunday Monday be do kwa no ma confirm no. El Clasico omo postpone until next week Saturday and there Real Madrid and Barcelona game no betimi abaso and so no ye to so na ye kwere no Khalid Koulibaly one of Senegal striker adema defender bom adema Lazio na no ana Aurelio De Laurentiis one way chairman and the man Napoli was saying say the player no so we keep on the mind sika man for the bopini player no ama player no kwa na attitude asasa in just so team top player no na onye sika na odi eye team no reporter and so every eba no na ile so oni Carlo Ancelotti omo entemojo and na chairman no eche say oni Carlo Ancelotti omo kontokwa omo entemojo pa Carlo Ancelotti person otena Napoli for the next 10 years kurana omo ebepene amano atena ho for the next 10 years and so I don't know Real Madrid Chelsea N'Golo Kante any Kylian Mbappe kianeke wo mo ebefo mo Leicester so eguso ya player no ye phenom ye Ben Chilwell ya no ye left back we see akan edemo no omo Chelsea omo ebe extend the contract no ama he say there ne Willis clause no enso atimi akoso no sebe ya anya dia United pe omo epeno no wo mo ebetimi enya no enso no na Bulgaria ye che supporters ni num endra and nine endra and so ya sachi num se so makoko ye nkono ya ye chichi chomo ekwa no Massimiliano Allegri Sky Sports report to say talks eguso ekoso na say United in for United board make a Glazer family no nemba mienu Joel and Avram omo akohie papa and ni agent okukwom ya komanda duro che yie pa say na nemasi ekono anhwe yie Allegri busume kura nkona wiye United juma no wabesum na waye Zinedine Zidane chesa El Clasico no wa krado so almost 26 omo mma se 27 krado omo person mo bo ni debut omo person mo bia no ono ni Juventus ono the Real Madrid team no omo aye krado so omo ebe face Barcelona El Clasico num eno so ne sama Zizou wono enso ede atuja Liverpool yase omo ede Mohamed Salah enso so no atu aye fitness test so ya omo eguzu omo na Klopp chese Alisson Becker de no wato no nemom besi de ontim confirm say Salah consider game no obobi na kodo obi atimi tutom dia bia late fitness test no betimi apase bi no so be si akai
mo ane yo Eric Opoku Jr. na Martin Nkano. Wadi amana ne nkomo ni nyina bre hwam. Na yadi besia efiada de ya na yentant na se enche ososa nti yemfansia na yemramedi efie nkomo. Ye ba bedi fie nkomo no so dia yenkwa ama no so na ye ne ye nua panyin retired referee Francis Osensia lawyer Nima pa enkokodi nkomo. Ono a enedua Ashanti Regional FA elections I so no contesting for chairmanship position ana anyeye openye radio sumdwe ka wo
thank you also star
senior na baby aboko de
oh yante bole bibi aboko
asidanke radio na yankoma ya nam senior oba ye
yes
ya waje tender nkoma odi fi baba ya sports stadium abre ni say abatu ekoso no wedding kugo ujitum se nkugo ni efeli
oh mejitum efe
na edi asem na wakafa ho
oh me ni kafa me dem kafa wan say yeko abatuo yeko mfase yeko campaign me kan sa yeko bontoa e kan asem che o ma ambeto aban delegates ni efi say your message ni e better say the ni sia kan no but enye sa na omuso hu no nti omo decide say on to aso nti yejituma kuma pemu amen life must go on
apanye babo abaso papa na enei unim de enu susu ya papa ya ahodo ananka so de bebo ama e football netima ko nani wa santima ntema no wanya nya chairman akunya no unu akotoro anya bia ubetria ben e de aboa e de unim de na aboa no
metria ben de mentimi ka say de bia na ane but the issue that me sure say me some me catch clubs no me nyini the clubs be ka say nsem no enko trasa because nyama kan yale no metumi aye di on be say ono be ono anya I think they will take me on so because of my obey say na ogie di say my I'm sure say they be me kan me catch o say tempo me lusua the FA national region will change because nyama me kan no nyama na bi o mani ndi me diri say almost be head be adwuma because on ko fo sika ma obi na on ball kwa on hwe now ball na on get no on fa and this I think they will sit on your right you know they will sit there what some need to check you know but they go kwara me feel say edin sakari beba that's me jida me wono no
na una oya sentimental say RFA Referees Association of Ghana chairman
yes
ana odu akunya to work pray for RFA chairmanship no
yes
ene ya RFA chairmanship dwumade na anye yie no obesa akọ back to rag akọfa akunya na
I would never that man since you answer no ham na me see me comment no na me fi say me kọ ne wosoro ndi anye yi a enem de ato de open fa ndi o say me kọ manim biom ndi no say me say akọ contest Ashanti Regional rag there is it a matter I'm beyond that
okay yo wa unu akuma wo fa say ya enua Shamo US Shamo share life
okay
Shamo atu enkra say yema better luck
thank you
no so chia so na next time we be boa campaign so why
next time we boa na yenya dog
kwampoku so odo so say ochia wo
I also can say delegates are unpredictable you can so just on the see immediately unpredictable
sir emo
yes
fancy
all right
hello sports etna
Ora Francis Osensia corporate Ashanti Region RFA chairmanship position na motenika kwa kumeba na the comprehensive results no e dey am for the various elections occur so various regions na Shamo hwe o bra Shamo hwe oforianim is on the NDC US
organizer
Kano Kasamafo communication director US enti pa Shamo yenu oforianim bebia obi Shamo ye chia o Boguba nkoma abato na ekoso nne no the various 10 regions Ghana administrative they say 16 regions but because of say football yenya other regions so de nti yenya ni nti de to aba no 10 regions say ne ko wie
kojo ye ba ne mum na ye hwe chairman ahodo
chairman de na make
ahodo Greater Accra region Samuel Abuabiri ono na onya
okay o de me so ma me fa we ntwam ba kom na IBM Company Petroleum Company Limited for say yanka mama nsan nyina te say efi na no brada no ana mu bi omu new fuel station e wo obo ase kwa so nti driver fo amuna mobo ase kwa so no udu pachi number 2 pa ubenya fa nwo papa anu bo fo ato na auto bi wi ani asa achmade eye new fuel station ayabue wo ho nti no no kranie achade awo pii no ato apete wakrade sonko a ekoso no ma no ya ne se uduru anu atofuel utofuel wi a 50 cedis and above utibet my ye am yentima chel kiyoda atima chel IBM branded t-shirts ne dusters tissues any achade awo pii na fa nwo na ne bo na 4 Dave ni kraba to mo akra etimi cha 1 gallon krasa epi so nti pacho sa wo pefa ngo papa pa buo na nam obo ase kwa so no de eye pachi number 2 IBM Petroleum Company Limited eho anakoto ufuel na benya ne papa fofofo nwasenya chede bia wo pebia ne kraba tara shita Ghana fa na nyina nya pachi number 2 nko branch no nko ano wo eho na ebie no fofo ne mom onam tonso abo aso kwa no so a Mampo Road no ubenya no atwuma mem so no ubenya no obe toase bibia ni road ho afa so sunya ne kwan so won tinsere brekum kwan so owo asoatre services aya takwa kwan so Huni Valley sehwepra so also sehwiasawe so asankagua inche kwan so also techima so no eho no wo tabale kwan so ana onam sehwi kwan so anyina hini so no ubenya IBM Petroleum Company Limited from 0249 603374 0249 603374 afei kwa kuba nkoma
wogodo ye chance naka yembo so ko kemkosa Jojo Duncan ko nya Central Regional Referee Chairman sanso na Upper East Salif Zida wono enenyan Daniel Agboga Voter Region sanso na Alhaji Abu Alasa enso so no enenyan Northern Abu Alasa Mahamadu enenyan Northern Region Rafa Gambra and I say Jambra onu so nya abro half region afi Simon Ihoma yeah go di there see what Ihoma wonu enya Western region na afi Linford Asamoah enya Eastern Greater Accra rep no ko jo me pendinam so onu so me dia Greater Accra so owura ye feno Samuel Abuabiri onu enya Greater Accra and afi o say to Ajima Kotoru na ha no 71 delegates and I call 56 division 2 teams. Division 2 clubs only 56. Constituent bodies no more 15. Third division 4. Referees 2. Retired players 2. Women's division 1. Coaches 2. Juvenile 2. Schools and colleges 1. Vote in the corner year no. And the 71 and the 2 but you rejected 1. Baku say 1 rejected vote.
Baku say. No so about 20.
Obeso no so be 20. And afi total voter kasi ane eye papa no. And no so ye 70. Of course, incumbent o say to Ajima Kotoru 41. And afi lawyer Francis Osensia 29.
And Ashanti region there.
And Ashanti region there.
Other regions there no so no.
Other region there parents no need to be there and there nche clear. Inti na Ashanti region there. Okay. Aha na je obi apeti ye no mo.
Na Shamo se men correct me ho. Or deputy secretary o. Onyeka communication deputy secretary.
Because let me say first na
comrade Shamo.
He is no organizer and just
okonanim deputy secretary or your comrade. Ofori anim Shamo bebe obi ano. Yeah, now Kwawu Otora maintaining the seat. Ashanti region.
Delegates, of course, delegates Akasa. And that's the most important thing. Said delegates Ebetwaba Eyini Pompeso Mino. May I say the last commenter Omeki na me feel so you aware that because Ghana has several elections na koswa. You who said the ana isiko. And I think so you also in some way no relax kakra. Because nkawan relaxe aka menyini so come say delegates are not predictable.
Delegates are not unpredictable.
No, because your delegates are unpredictable.
So you see fear delegates.
And also they are unpredictable. Enti na just say ejuma wo ye no an konanim. Enti we say the next 5 years say bia na me adom na o person sa eco contest ya okwa obo say do be si akono. Me 56 division 1 clubs. 56 division 2 clubs. omo na majority of the vote and omo decide I just say Chama Kotora Juma ono my no money so yes
because as a defense no so
and I just say 56 division 2 clubs no I just say Chama Kotora Juma ono mo no the last 12 years no money so into Masama na endorsement into which say division 2 club bia Juma Chama no mo money jo
he say yempe complain bia
division 2 club you complain bia no they just say oyaye okukojo mi pese me issue that we nemo oya santi omana akoto obana yi no
so omuntanachi
the next 5 years and me
4 years
o say
4 years
4 years the next 4 years enti me did say adwuma no kojo started from enne
okay
company the next 4 years ebesa atoba enti omo to obama no omo gidie wo chairman mu no ana omo atoma no chairman so yes expect say e bia nema bia wo ye the previous years anko ye no obesa ade nema ni bia ka na football wa shatero gina kojo to be frank and sincere ewo form and that's
baby omo form baby ehefa party to ye me some si course ni and na di shitre ho no
course football no form oh you course football na division 2 no kra no ebi pitches omo di ball no ay substandard
okay
ay very poor ko ebi maybe on ball kra ay very poor enti ye hese omo timi di we nyina be shem na division 2 be on ball matches ni adari nyina no be ni ye course football no so ko form no we should revive it under 12 under 14 and 17 you revive ni nyina because the one no you revive no nyina so no na eboa ma division 2 and division 3 no and so timi apeja football wan ka say wo Ashanti Rojan de kojo I'm telling you form nti ye gidi ye say chairman wanya akwanya we no chairman be any clubs na ebesa kabum no moboa na o mapeja yi football na wo form Ashanti Rojan
okay yo meba ya je ona ya je abo enkomo ne course opportunity nemo me so awie ma me fa congratulations kese pa enkomo Ghana's ever finest regional minister Honorable Simon Osei Mensah, the senior most governor of the Golden Kingdom. Na ba so body ni biema sa aba biem say ye rank regional minister say Ghana ha no on ye so number 1 and modimo no so ani ye pa
wow
oni na be de chie quintessential mommy
oh we de oluma nem kwaso
piao
oluma nem kwaso
piao oluma nem kwaso piao it Ghana's ever finest regional minister emani kwa oni na be de chie quintessential mommy
na djuma so ani oluma djuma so ani na yebo person be so agene sa
no ninyuma penti ana na be de che Honorable Elizabeth Ajiman the people's woman yebo ma ba so na hard working deputy education minister Honorable Yao Osei Edutwum ono so enya abasobode said the finest deputy minister wo Ghana ha enti ono so yebo na abaso pa bosomtwe MP yebo abaso pa e ma so mono yon tutu se bosomtwe de chairman case Bosomtwi Broni wa produce citizens ministers papa de among my Ghana. Yow star o hwe ne course ho nyina chi no o hwe ase sei omo nyina de akomatoyem ene kroye ebebo am yakwanim de lose ye ne de win ye.
Star Mejiri say the most important thing and he said Francis Oseisia ababonten apamu akase wajatum wonim after elections no ye pie ejina outside hono ena na mene no interactive kakra na asema no na ne supporters ni bi gina na chi eden ya won say abato ba wie a ye kakra ba eden ebe koso the supporters ni bi na omo ekike kansem bi but Mr. Oseisia try so be stop you from sa comment na omo yeden omo air pass no eti Mejiri say the most important thing ne say owura ono ekọ contest no ono agye aginam anaso wagye atum say wa consider sa defeat no na star unim say uyo obi a wo share grounds wonom anopa no say utie amanfo anu asem a enka definitely wo beka say owura Osensia na awene
kona ne nkrofo na no odin pa
deda na ekoso honom no ene ntiatiam na ekoso
delegate o
predictable change na enam kwa so ba
su change na nyama
uti say wote honom na utie all transit anasa nsem bi amanfo bi ekeka honom ntiatiam bi a amanfo etiatiam honom a na ekacho pepe say
fear delegates
change den eba yes adebako a em say catch them and say woman na omuye dede wa bontini nyina no na dodo na anya den any vote owura Alhaji Karim Cruiser eba ho
heavy ba ho
so
no support we
Osensia opamu kan say Oma honom say obey campaign e dey ama Osensia but was sympathize with Osensia enu nti na oba honom so we dey oba beta na chi enti en penfo do pi e na ba honom ba ni nyina nkamfua no abato na abawi do we ne ye awene do lusi agiatum say wadi nkugu enti ye ma etu nkotwe de twene ne nyina ye mbra on board ideas obia wo bia obetumi dia aboama ye football na den apeda bia no yemfa emra ne yetoto ne mama ye football nya den empeda Stephen me ka asem ba ko kitu
ya o kan ye nyina ochina ye beto aso
wo mo ye campaign wo WhatsApp platforms wo mo hwe
eno ento aba
oboti
wa futu why ye ko historical corner kwamna na o sin ko mo be na dey ba dey na say kuku does ye
76 18th October na 29 na ye really kura ka last but one match a decisive match and Kotoko Chef first goal has a take on by defensive blunder and second goal by and Kofi say if you Kotoko bench I James Kukudazi and so Chene say ball ne dear go ni free so as ne buy it is hard ball no crown or sa won chiremu say you have a ball no bit say ya Sam Joe Sam Malik any players bia wontimi mbubo mudins kire say bibia ne omukasa omo keka no kire say adamdie bi aya akoso wo ba bi nti na ama Kotoko alusu sa league match nti sa asumbo ne de say what ho asem pen na ememu ni ma fie siye unim date siye a ene de ba bontin say 18th October 1976 and Kofi say free bench eko ball James Kukudazi eni so e Ghana Kumasi Sports Stadium and a match in course unti 43 years and in ye kan sa asem na si Kumasi Agoprama so and na so ye bofa kwata no ne Kotoko match bi e course osunya ya obi de mpabo akobọ refi Kwame Gatti ye ka say Kotoko e kwa api say omo per replay e o league match mu so and also appeal committee discipline committee 2 Kotoko asem no gu ye say enya ade a ometimi amomo replay o omo ne bofa kwa match nti omo appeal na e ko ye no enya ade a discipline committee di tum ena Ian Potterford eso e ka che say 2002 yemfa senior national team adwuma no ma no boso me miensa pe ya amani sika o ya ntia ne hwe kura na ninim die so obeso Kotoko mu no obetimi aboa akoti Ghana national team boso me miensa pe adwuma die no betimi akonkan ye panti mentia mi nua panyini e bafo awua fashion director baby o bi abafo awua ye ntia Amos Mensa ani broni fie papaya Oluboy Central Market
no ye Sanso ana ye nua Prince Kojo Nyantechi our special aid Edema Ghana's finest best deputy regional deputy minister honorable Dr. Yaoserukum ono ne personal aid wo boa atutu na namo MN oboni dwuma yi pa ye anua Prince Kojo Nyantechi also so we wo suit here Prince baby a obi anu so ye chia wo ye ma wo ne honorable nyina congratulations I say
sir
crop yan come on ye fan so so
I say we dey ketua bi ade mo anya pon wi kakra bi na dey so dey chance nyame adom akina 8 o'clock sharp Ronya Circus Council executive meeting bekoso e menhia House of Chiefs wa mesra bia mamo dan so beba e bia 10 o'clock so the meeting be taso na afi ya meeting general said the beya match na day nim no betimi adi nkunim secretary 34 Kosiapia chema Kosiapia no be meeting nyame adoma Kosiara no pa secretary 171 so bo share be meeting Kosiara no pa and na secretary 145 and so be meeting nyame adoma Kosiara no pa enti we mu nyina no enkamfu ano supporters nyanya ba kuna fe mfa mpabo kase ntai empanyimfo achi the BCBR no ye so bi contractor wo so mbere no so mri no nyina agina management me mfa support kase pa enfanta o machi se be ya betimi akonanim me come me DC form no ya ye nua friends registrar or high court registrar court of appeal David nyamia me chia no na fe filing area ho so court of appeal so omuso mutie pa me chia omu nyamia adma ibishia
yo and I say
hello 101.5 FM